Hello, I'm Dr. Tiffany Anderson, the Superintendent of Topeka Public Schools, here to congratulate you. You made it. Along with me congratulating you, we have your principals and teachers, administrators at all of the high schools, our school board members, and the leadership team. My leadership team stands behind the scenes. That includes the deputy superintendent and many others who help make sure that you have everything you need throughout all your years in school. See, Topeka Public Schools, we are leaders in education. We are here to ensure that we continue to engage, prepare, and inspire for a lifetime. And to whom much is given, much is required and expected. So whether you are an amazing graduate from Hope Street, Cap City, Avondale West, or any one of our 3 comprehensive high schools, again, we are so proud of you. Congratulations, graduates.
Hello, I'm your Topeka Public Schools President, Ms. Sue Boley. And on behalf of my school board members, I am here to congratulate you today on your accomplishments. Let me introduce you to your school board. Vice President Mrs. Melanie Stewart Campbell, Dr. Richard Bonebrake, Mr. Lalo Munoz, Miss Lisa Schmidt, Dr. Randall Schumacher, Mr. Keith Tatum, and your superintendent, Dr. Tiffany Anderson. It is our job as a school board to create dynamic graduates, and you're one of them from Topeka Public Schools. We have watched you in the classrooms. We have watched you in theater and music department. We have watched you on the ball courts, ball fields. We have watched you in educational competitions such as robotics, in your clubs, and even in your VOTEX. And we are proud of the graduates that we have today. On your way through your education, there are people you should probably thank. Be sure to thank your family, your teachers, your principals, your superintendent, and your school board, but mostly yourself. You are the one that has done all of the hard work to get to this day. So, as we turn you loose into this world that needs you so badly, we wish you luck, and we will continue to cheer you on. Congratulations.
Hello, I'm Mr. Knoll, and I'm the principal here at Hope Street Academy. On behalf of myself and Topeka Public Schools Superintendent Dr. Tiffany Anderson, and board members Mr. Lalo Munoz, Ms. Sue Boley, Dr. C. Richard Bonebrake, Miss Melanie Stewart Campbell, Mr. Keith Tatum, Miss Lisa Schmidt, and Dr. Randall Schumacher, I'd like to welcome you to Hope Street Academy. This group of scholars is truly a special group. These students have managed to persevere in the midst of the worst pandemic in a century. While we have been able to return to a sense of normalcy, these students began high school with the pandemic at its worst, which is why it is so important to celebrate this moment today. And these students are a glowing bright spot to be celebrated. These students, with their dedication, fortitude, and perseverance, have managed to overcome all obstacles to success. I present to you our graduates. Congratulations.